In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use page sections on Squarespace. Whether you're setting up a new website or trying to enhance your existing one, understanding how to utilize page sections can significantly impact the look and functionality of your site. First, let's begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate over to the website section. Just click on it from your dashboard. Here is where you can view all aspects of your site, from its appearance to its content. Now, from the website view, go ahead and click on Pages. This is where you can see all the pages that make up your site. Identify the specific page that you would like to edit, maybe your home page or a new landing page you're working on, and just click on that page to open it. Once you have the page open, look for the Edit button. You'll usually find this at the top corner of the page. Click on Edit to start making changes to your page. Now, as you're editing, hover over the area where you'd like to insert a new section. You should see an Add Section button appear. Click this button to add a new section to your page. After clicking Add Section, you'll have options. You can choose from a variety of pre-designed sections that fit different categories like galleries, contact forms, or you could even add a blank section if you want to start from scratch. Select the option that best aligns with your vision for the page. In edit mode, look for the Add Block button inside your new section. This allows you to add a content block. Once clicked, a menu will appear, giving you the option to select the type of content block you want to include. This could range from text to images, videos, or buttons, so choose what complements your design. When your content blocks are set, you might want to reposition or resize them. Use the drag handles feature to move the blocks or adjust their dimensions within the section's grid. It's quite intuitive, allowing you to create a layout that looks appealing and organized. For those who like to get creative, you can layer blocks on top of one another using Squarespace's Fluid engine. This feature gives you more flexibility in how content is presented. If you'd like to fine-tune the section's appearance, click on the section and select Edit Section. From here, you'll be able to adjust settings like the number of rows or even the grid's height. Also, if you want to give your section a distinct look, consider adding a background image, a video, or changing the color theme. To reorganize the sections within a page, simply use the up and down arrows that appear when you hover over a section. This will allow you to move sections higher or lower on the page without hassle. If you've created a section that you would like to replicate, there's a handy duplicate button. Use this to quickly create a copy of an existing section. And for a polished finish, add dividers between sections to introduce visual breaks. These come with customizable styles to fit your site's theme. Finally, don't forget to save your changes once you're satisfied with the layout by clicking on the Save button. This ensures that all your hard work is preserved and published to your site. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be able to effectively use page sections on Squarespace, enhancing both the design and functionality of your website with ease. Thanks for watching and happy designing.